Hello everyone and welcome to Bello Chef YouTube channel. Here today I'm in the mood for some grilled chicken, so I went and get me some skinless chicken thigh meat. I rinse it out thoroughly. I like to rinse my meat before I cook it, not steaks but chicken. I normally take it and rinse it out properly before I start seasoning it up. What I'm gonna do is gonna add a little vinegar to it. Not much, just some. I say about 1/4 cup vinegar. Okay, to that I'm going to use my chief green seasoning. Mentioned in the previous channel that sometimes I make my own green seasoning and sometimes I buy it. Well, today one of those days that I bought it. Well, I bought it some time back because as you can see the bottle is almost finished, and on the next rounds I'm going to buy my own ingredients and make my own green seasoning. So I put some green seasoning there on it, and then it's very difficult to get up here in the US. In Trinidad you can get it dime a dozen, but the pimento sauce, great with anything you cook in. You could put it in almost anything. It's fantastic. So I like it. I put some in there, about another 1/4 cup. And then I use some holy smoke to give it that smoky flavor on the grill, because I'm using a gas grill and not a charcoal grill. So I enhance the flavor by using the smoke what do you call it here, the holy smokes. Okay, that gives it a smoky flavor. Then I'm gonna throw me on some garlic powder. Okay, put a little more. So you say about a teaspoon. That's about a teaspoon roughly. I mean, you could season it to taste however you feel fit, Some of us like a lot of salt, some of us don't like a lot of salt, some of us like garlic, some of us don't, so you season to your taste, but this I'm seasoning here to my taste. So then I'm gonna add complete seasoning that has a combination of different herbs down to bandana in here. So I'm gonna put some of that there on it. Now I don't use much salt in my food when I'm cooking. If I'm going to use salt at all, it would be Himalayan salt to cook with. If I'm baking, I use regular salt to bake with. And then I have all these ingredients in here, and then what I'm going to add to it, I have this product here, and it's distributed here in South Florida. This is called Bello's, and it's the mango habanero barbecue sauce. So it's the first time I'm trying this out on my items here when I'm cooking. So I'm going to take this and add a little bit of this to it, and then I'm going to, while we're grilling, I'm going to brush some on, okay, and we'll see how it tastes. All right, so this here, I'm going to put a little bit here of the grilling sauce. It's mango habanero barbecue sauce. Okay, and with that in there, I'm just going to take one spoon and going to mix it all up. Okay, so that it gets incorporated and cover all the meat thoroughly. All right, we have this up inside of here. I'm going to stir it around a bit. All right, let it coat the meat properly. All right, so what I'm going to do, I'm not going to cook this right away because I just season it. Okay, so I'm going to let it sit in here for a couple hours. Okay, and then we'll come back and light the grill up and throw it on the grill. So for a few hours we're going to let it sit here. All right, and let it marinate for a bit, and then we come back, throw it on the grill, and see what happens. Okay, folks, I'm out here at my grill, and what I'm going to do is just spray the grill with some of this here. This is to prevent the meat from sticking on it. So I normally do this when I'm grilling anything that I'm grilling. I normally spray the grill. Okay, what I'm going to do is just let the grids get very hot before I place the chicken on it. So now I'm going to place the chicken on the grill, and what I do, I'm going to place it skin side down first. Okay, so here we go. I'll put this chicken on the grill here. Have it going on there. Just remember, you know, skin side down first. This on the grill, and we're gonna let this cook here for a little bit, then come back and turn it. Okay, now the chicken is raw chicken there, so we gotta make sure it cooks properly all the way down to the bone. So with that said, I'm going to turn the grill down a little bit so that it don't char before it's cooked, and we're going to cover it down. Okie dokie. Okay, so what I want to do is take some of this mango habanero barbecue sauce, Bello signature sauces, and I'm going to put some of it into this bowl here. Okay, and the whole idea now is to just have some of this to base the chicken with once I turn it. Okay, so I'm gonna have that there, and we're gonna go and check in a bit and give that chicken a turn. I'm out here trying to get it done before it rains, or it got cloudy and the rain is coming, and you know, it looked like it's gonna come. All of this is just a few sprinkles maybe, you know, but hopefully I could get this done before any significant rain comes down. But as you can see, it's grilling there, and I'm gonna turn them in a bit, let it cook for a bit here. Okay, so you're gonna see how this turns out, and it's a new sauce I'm trying from Bello sauces. All right, so stick with me. So I'm turning the chicken over now. Okay, turn them over. Yep, and now that they're all turned over, I am going to brush it with the sauce. Yeah, looking forward to tasting this and see what it tastes like, see how it comes out. But I'm just brushing it with the sauce here now. Okay, we're gonna just pull the lid back down. Let it cook for a bit, flip it again, brush it with some more sauce, both sides, remove it. So we're going to flip them over one more time here. Yep, and get the nice color and some charred marks there. And now we're just gonna brush some sauce on this side too. Okay. Brush the sauce on that side. I'm going to flip these bad boys over again. Here you go, brushing more sauce on it. I know this is going to taste so good. You know, if you have a charcoal grill, make sure that you don't have the live flames on it, because chicken would get color before it cooks. So make sure your charcoals are hot but not open flame. Okay, we have that here, and now I'm just going to get my dish to remove them. Okay, so there you go, folks. This is the chicken that I just grilled using the Bello mango habanero sauce. You can get it online, or if you're in South Florida here, you could go to Big Easy or Uncle Bill's and pick up your own bottle. Okay, it's great for grilling, and we're gonna give this here a bite now. Okay, so we have it here, and let's give it a try and see what it's like. Okay, so I'm gonna cut a piece off here. Give it a try here. Let's check this out. Nice and moist and juicy on the inside, you know. And let's see. It's good. Very good. Get a hint of that mango taste. Oh, I'll take a bread there. And some of that spice from the habanero, kind of sweetish, peppery, spicy taste. It's actually very good. So that's my lesson for today. Grilled chicken. I used the chicken thigh meat, season it up, throw it on the grill. Use the mango habanero grilling sauce from Bello products, and you got your dinner there, your lunch, whatever. That sauce could use it on a variety of meats. You could use it on fish, you could use it on chicken, you could use it on pork, you could use it on steak. You know, your choice. Shrimp, whichever. So folks, thanks for joining me. And when you get a chance, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much, and make it a great evening. Make it a great day. Make it a great 2021. Thank you.